So hello guys, I'm Crystallo, and in this video I will show you how to make hardstyle drop using FL Studio stock plugins. Set the BPM to 151, then load a piano, and make a drop melody. Replace the drop melody with some layer of leads. On lead channel I have a equalizer for cutting low frequencies, fast dist for distortion, sound goodizer for saturation, blood overdrive for thickness, another equalizer for cutting some low frequencies, peak controller and fruity reverb, and then a gross beat for sidechaining. Now I will add mid bass. On mid-bass channel I have equalizer for cutting high and low frequencies, and a gross beat for sidechaining. Now I will add some drums, percussions and effects. Now the final result.